What up guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to correctly perform a front squat. Now first thing, let's get this out the way. What's the difference between the back squat, the front squat? Well, the front squat is a good alternative to the back squat. You know, it hits the legs from a different angle. You know, it hits a different, it just hits the muscle from a different angle. So it's good from time to time to switch it up to front squat. Now keep in mind, you're probably going to be weaker on your front squat than your back squat. That's normal, so don't worry about it. And let's begin. So to get into position, feet shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider. Get the bar up. Now this is going to be tricky. If you're using very heavy weight, you'll need a rack. It's going to be a lot easier. Or you could just clean the weight up. Okay, so get the weight up to your neck, a little lower to your sternum. Based on your flexibility, people are not that flexible in this position, so it's going to be really hard to have the bar on your sternum. Like a lot of those CrossFit guys, they have the bars just touching their fingers all the way under, in front of the neck. And that's, you got to have a lot of flexibility in your shoulders for that, and your elbows, so I just do it like this, just hold it up. And then you do the same as with the squat position. Inhale, squeeze your core, go all the way down, and explode back up. Inhale, squeeze your core, go down slowly all the way down, full range of motion, and explode back up. That's the front squat. So the key points is, like always, straight back, no arch in the back, keeping your core tight. And also to go down in a straight line. I'm going to show you now from the side so you can have a better understanding, and you can see it a lot better from the side angle. So like I said, get the bar. Now I don't use a rack for here because I don't use extremely heavy weight, so you can show you guys the form better. So clean the weight up, get your feet into position, which is about shoulder width, maybe a little more. Clean the weight up, and you're in position. Inhale, squeeze your core, go down all the way, explode up. You see? Again, inhale, squeeze your core, go down slowly, explode back up. Full range of motion and exploding back up. And at the top of the movement, really squeeze your glutes and your quads. You see, straight back, no arch, all the way down. I don't have an arch. I have a bend in my back, but no arch. That's how to perform the front squat correctly without any injuries. And like I said, the front squat is a great alternative to the back squat. So it's good to switch it up once in a while, because if you only do back squats, you're going to benefit from front squats a lot too. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe.